Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video we are going to learn how to log into your Steam application on your PC. To log into Steam app on PC is super easy. Launch open the Steam application on your computer or your laptops, and in the sign in area that appears on the screen, go ahead and enter your account name and then your password respectively. In the first field, you'll need to type in your account name. Go ahead and write it down. Now on the next field, write down your correct password for your account. If you want the system to remember your credentials for you, check this Remember Me box. If not, leave it unchecked if you are using a public or shared device and click on Sign In. If your credentials are correct, you'll be taken to this page. Here you'll need to enter the email code that has been sent to you via your registered email on your Steam account. Go ahead and open up your email inbox, and you'll receive an email from Steam support. Click it open and then click on the verification code in it. Copy the code, get back to the Steam app and paste in the code in the text box. Soon after you do that, if the code is correct, you'll be logged into your Steam account. So that is how you can easily log in or sign into Steam with your correct credential on your laptops or your PC. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.